Channel 8's Ariana Martinez spoke with both sides of the issue here locally to see what's next. Ariana?
Those on both sides of this issue say that this leak does not confirm anything, and we have to wait to see what the final decision is, which will be expected in June. In the meantime, there are plans of what would happen if Roe v. Wade is overturned. If the Supreme Court does overturn Roe v. Wade, it will then be up to the individual states on what to do next.
I'm hopeful that Governor Ricketts would call a special session, and that's for him to decide, not me. I know how important the pro-life issues are for the state of Nebraska, so I'm hopeful that he will call a special session and allow us to do our work.
The governor releasing a statement on Tuesday saying, "This draft opinion is a promising sign that the gross wrong of Roe will be rightened and abortion decisions will return to the states. I'm praying for the Supreme Court justices as we await their final decision." Speaker Hilgers mentioned trying to avoid a special session by prioritizing the trigger bill this past session. On Tuesday, saying in part, "If the court overturns Roe and Casey and Nebraska reclaims its constitutional ability to prohibit abortion, I will work with the governor to schedule a special session to protect the unborn." If a special session is not called, it will be up to a lot of new senators.
If we don't have a special session, we have a lot of new people coming in January, and that's where we present it the very first thing next year, and we just get it taken care of.
Because Nebraska is in the middle of the country and many states around us have already passed anti-abortion laws, if Nebraska doesn't get something passed, Planned Parenthood is planning to expand services.
We have been preparing preemptively for this decision for a long time. We know that there are certain places in the country where we need to shore up access and make sure that we have space available for patients coming from all over.
The Planned Parenthood Midwestern region raises money every year to help patients get an abortion, but are prepared to raise more money than ever before.
Even if abortion is illegal in North Dakota, South Dakota, or Wisconsin or wherever, it doesn't mean that abortions stop happening.
We will need to raise more money because certainly our expenses will go up, and we will need to assist people in ways that we currently rarely have to do, for example, with travel or with childcare.
Now, Planned Parenthood representatives also saying today that their doors are still open and abortions are currently still legal here in Nebraska. Depending on what the Supreme Court decides in the next month or so, Nebraska will either join 23 other states to ban abortions or become a location where women from all over the region come for abortion services.